Hello students, this is chapter 2, that is where plants live adaptation. Now adaptation is a very new word for all of you. What is adaptation? Adaptation is to adjust in surrounding. So they are having some special features in plants and animals to adjust in the surrounding is known as adaptation. Now, wherever you go, you will find plants and animals, but the plants and animals living in different kinds of places differ from each other. The plants and animals found in desert of Rajasthan are very different from those found in the mountains of Kashmir. Why do you think this is so? Do you think the plants and animals found in a pond can survive in a desert? Why or why not? Now, in this chapter, topics covered are habitat, adaptation, plants on land, plants in water, and other plants. Habitat. What is habitat? The local environment of a plant is known as its habitat. A habitat can be as small as a patch of a garden or as big as a forest. Plants often has to adapt or change in order to survive in their habitat. Plants' habitat can be divided into two major groups, that is land or terrestrial habitat and second water or aquatic habitat. Now adaptation. What is adaptation? Adaptation is a special features that helps a plant or animals to survive in their habitat. Each place has its own challenges. Plants and animals living in a certain place, because they have adaptation suitable to that place. Example, fishes have gills to breathe air dissolved in water. Fishes lives in water, so they have gills so that they can breathe the oxygen which is dissolved in water. They cannot survive outside water as they cannot breathe outside water. They are not having the organs to breathe outside water. Second, cactus. It can survive in dry desert because they can store water in their stem. Because of adaptation to suit their surroundings, plants and animals living in different places look different too. That's why there are so many plants and animals and all are different from each other. You can see in mountain region the plants are of different kinds. They are not looking like the plants which is grown in deserts. In plains the plants are different. They are not similar like desert plants, like in marshy area where there is very much of marshy, daldal you can say in Hindi. So in there what happens, the roots comes outside the soil because there the soil is very fine, they are clay soil, so air cannot go inside the plant. Root cannot take the oxygen, so roots carbon dioxide, so roots are coming out from the soil to breathe air. These are known as breathing roots also, and they are found in marshy areas. Each places has its own challenges. Plants and animals living in certain place survive because they have adaptation suitable to condition of that place. As we have discussed, fishes have gills to breathe air dissolved in water. They cannot survive outside the water. Cactus can survive in dry desert because they can store water in their stem. Because of adaptation to suit their surrounding, plants and animals living in different places look different. For example, the leaves of water lily plant that lives in water are thin and big and they float in water. They look very different from the leaves of a cactus plant, which are like sharp needles. Similarly, a fish living in water has a different body structure compared to animals living on land. Let us study the adaptation of plants in greater detail. Now, plants, as we have discussed, two parts are there of plant habitat. First is land or terrestrial habitat. The plants which are grown on the land are known as terrestrial plants. and the plants which are grown in water is known as aquatic plants. Now, plants in terrestrial area can be divided into 6 types: plants in plains, plants in desert, plants in mountain and heavy rainfall areas, plants in coastal areas, and plants in swampy area. In aquatic plants, the plants have been divided into 3 parts: floating plants, fixed plants and underground plants. Now one by one we will discuss in the another part of the video about land plants or terrestrial plants and then aquatic plants. Till then, have a good time. Thank you.